This is the rest of my van. I got my solar panels and my inverter. I got my electrical cord, coffee maker, tea kettle, supplements I like, the power source, Mr. Pink. Are you smiling at me? The doors, those little doors slide. They slide apart and they slide all the way over. And George comes back in here to sleep. He sleeps over there. I got some mushroom mix with chocolate. Those are all my essential oils and my flower essences. I get these really cute little lights, so those give enough light for me. I've got my meditation cushions, my sleeping bag, and my pillows, and that's my purse, so that when I go into the store I can get a couple things that I need. Really into the minimalism thing. I'm not that good at the camera yet, so I have to try to figure out how to look at myself and make sure that I'm aiming the camera at myself if I turn it or not. Out there in that front window, I don't know, maybe you can get a nice look. That's Hakumba. And we're gonna quickly come outside. Oh, I got my Instapot. Here's my cabinets that I built that I'm really proud of. And I got some more little baskets for my other stuff. My clothes is actually down there right now in that pillow. My stones and my yoga mat, and then my little carafe for tea. That's my potty. And there's a propane tank. My shovel is there just in case, so when I go to the potty I can cover up my shit. And then I just wanted to say how windy is it.